Hi, welcome to the extended booth of the Ace Micromatic Group. I am Preran Prasad. I represent the marketing at Amace Solutions Private Limited. So for today's Die Mold India Expo, we have on display some conformal cooling solutions. So what you see over here is a die insert that we have created through 3D printing. So the blue color lines that you see are the conformal cooled lines that can be 3D printed. So some of the advantages of 3D printing is that you can create curvilinear profiles in very short times. At the same time, you are able to create a better finished part and reduce the cycle time. So we recently came out with our machine, the STLR 400. It's an indigenously manufactured machine made here in India, and it's based on the powder bed fusion technology. And right now we can work with aluminum alloys, ferrous alloys, inconels and titanium. The Ace Micromatic Group came out with their own indigenous machine known as the STLR 400. So this machine is based on powder bed fusion technology, and we can work with multiple materials such as the tool steels, aluminum, inconels and titanium. So apart from catering to the die mold industry, we also cater to the aerospace, automotive and general engineering requirements. So the STLR 400 comes with a large build volume, and it's powered by two lasers which are 1 kilowatt each. And the scanning system, we have a full scan field wherein the scanners can scan the entire build plate. We can work with multiple layer thicknesses ranging from 30 microns to 100 microns, and we have a patented bi-directional recoater, which is a soft recoater that can be indexable.